Hello, little friend. Today's story is called Leon the Lion and Lala the Little Bird. Once upon a time, deep in a faraway forest, there lived a mighty lion named Leo, with a mane as grand as the sunrise. Leo was strong, brave, and known as the king of the forest. But he was also a bit arrogant. He believed he was better than the smaller animals and rarely took them seriously. One day, a great storm swept through the forest. Trees swayed, the wind howled, and the little animals hurried to their shelters. Leo, too, decided to head back to his cave. But suddenly, and blocked Leo's path. He pushed with all his strength, but the tree wouldn't budge. It was far too heavy, even for the mighty Leo. Just then, a tiny bird flew down from the sky. Her name was Lala. She began pecking at the leaves and branches with her tiny beak. Leo laughed. "You? With that little beak, you think you can move this tree?" "Ha!" But Lala didn't stop. She kept pecking. Soon a few squirrels, a rabbit, and even a slow-moving turtle came along. Together they started nibbling the branches, carrying away twigs, and making the tree lighter. Eventually, Leo gave one strong push, and this time the tree rolled away. The path was clear. Leo looked around in amazement. "You all helped me. But why?" Lala smiled. "Because being friends isn't about being big or small. It's about the heart." From that day on, Leo changed. He started respecting the smaller animals. He didn't act like a king, but like a protector of the forest. And everyone loved Leo even more. As for little Lala, she became his dearest friend. Sleep well, my little friend. I hope you grow up to be a good person.